I'm Mark Ruba with your coronavirus facts first for this Friday. More evidence emerging that far more New Yorkers have had the coronavirus than the number of confirmed laboratory tests. Governor Cuomo said yesterday that knowing how many people have antibodies could potentially help set policy when it comes to reopening parts of the state. Preliminary data reveals about 14% of those tested throughout the state have antibodies, meaning they were exposed to COVID-19 but may have been asymptomatic.
It is significantly more widespread than most people had imagined, and I think it confirms the point that it spread faster and it got here earlier than we originally believed.
The state performed a baseline survey to test the antibodies. Governor Cuomo says the state intends to do one every 3 to 4 days to watch the infection rate. Well, the pandemic has claimed the lives of at least 3,500 residents in nursing homes and long-term care facilities across New York. In his press conference yesterday, Governor Cuomo announced an investigation to make sure the facilities are following state guidelines and reporting procedures. The governor said staff must have appropriate safety and protective gear, as well as undergo wellness checks before coming to work. He also said no visitors should be allowed in the facilities, and if there is a positive case, that person should be in quarantine. The governor added if the nursing home cannot take care of its patients, then those patients should be moved out.
Did any nursing homes object to, one, this policy, and two?
They don't have the right to object. That is the rule and that is the regulation, and they have to comply with it. And the regulation is basic common sense. If you can't provide adequate care, you can't have the patient in your facility. And that's your basic fiduciary obligation, I would say ethical obligation, and it's also your legal obligation.
The governor also said that families and residents should be notified if someone in the facility tests positive for COVID-19. Now a look at the latest number of cases in our local area. Monroe County with 1171 confirmed cases. 91 people have died from COVID-19. Health officials add 682 people have recovered from the virus. In Steuben County, 215 cases. 33 people have died there. Genesee County has 141. Yates County, the lowest number of cases, with 20 confirmed. A national company with a local presence is giving a huge boost to small businesses across the nation. L3Harris announcing it will give over $100 million in payments to small businesses. The company says it's because of small businesses that it is able to provide many of its services. It added getting this money out now is crucial to sustain regional economies during the pandemic. As always, stay tuned to News 8 for the latest on COVID-19. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter as well. From all of us here at News 8, be well and thank you for watching.